talented Chinese Mandarin speakers and are also giving classes in Mandarin, and a few are or have been trained in Spanish-speaking institutions. The purpose of this engagement that Ekipa has done is undertaking with these youth groups is actually to socialize and to encourage people to understand values that you espouse, like social democracy, solidarity, tolerance, equality, etc. So we are actually actively working with young people, and we develop specific partnerships so that the views that you promote, that you being the president promotes, will be further socialized among the youth of the nation. And I am proud to say, Mr. President, we've really chosen to be dealing with because you being our leader, and I personally can attest that, but you're also a good friend. You're also my leader, but also my friend. And this is, I think, something that is rare in Timor-Leste. You have your leader as your friend. Your leader can be your friend, and your leader can be your biggest supporter, can be your mentor as well. Despite the age difference, the generational differences, you can actually benefit from your leader in ways that you can imagine. So my hope is that for young people to break the gap and to have access and to be in conversation or in direct dialogue with you, so they can also benefit. Because I and many other friends here have benefited from your mentorship, from your recommendations, from your guidance, so for us to be successful in life. And we believe that we can do the same to the younger ones, and we can facilitate the younger ones to actually benefit from you and your wisdom and your guidance. So I think it's a very simple proposition that we are proposing here. It's for young people, many young people, to have the opportunity to deepen their knowledge of your views, to embrace your views, and eventually to benefit from your guidance and from your mentorship. So thank you very much, and I will give the floor to the CEO. The CEO is here, Mr. President. He is the one who's actually leading this organization, and I am their conseiller, so I provide whatever, some assistance whenever I need my assistance. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fidelis. Thank you so much, Mr. Fidelis' excellent opening speech. So, next session, I will give to Marcelo Freitas as the Chief Executive Operator or CEO of Multi-Science Academy to present the program of Multi-Science Academy. So, 7 minutes, please.
Thank you so much. Primeiro de tudo, a minha excelência, com respeito à sua excelência, senhor presidente, e a minha contente deles, estou obrigado a agradecer por a sua excelência de ter rolar na rua, mandou um voto de TVs, se não me convite, poderão na minha apresentação do meu programa. Ao atual CEO, second CEO of Multi-Science Academy, ao CEO para conselho Alpha. Había 7 minutos de desculpa a uso de texto, también material se usa preparar el texto antes de usar. Se permite a poder obrigar. Y también de tomar mi presentación para que se aplique. Su excelencia, después de ahora yo vencí para comenzar el momento, ahora me queda durante a mi lidera sobre interrogar. Porque idane para que la lengua consiga para cambiar con su vida hoy tiempo se Su excelencia es importante ahora con yo, si la nave que más viene, si la nave durante proactivo y de organización. Pues ahora yo voy a ser para que su excelencia permita menciona la diafonía de que how y como ira tiempo 70 y tal o ira líder yo voy a ser el tiempo no va a visitar la viuda o culturalmente. Y ahora voy a ir a una fila. Si lo y el fondo de salir a tener pues ahora eso es la situación que los políticos votaron a gritar. Ahora bien, el fondo de Halao me va a catar. Lo rico significa joven significa joven habu lío que falló a nação Timor y futuro. Ahora me hago una presentación o previa a futuro. Bien. Hosi é bem importante rua, onde se for Hosi pode com breves profil se muitas secretárias de Migrasi, no segundo maka programa digital inovativo no BT organização preparada, a minha esposa lima adalah sedikit Multisains Academy Hosi ka MSc, uma yang lorong samul resmiga, pulang agosto 2021, Hosi coincide Timor mene, o motivo fundamental mas educação e qualidade no quantidade para Timor-Leste de desenvolvimento e de integrar no sustentável. Fundador cinema ka Vitor, Alva, Elvi, Uno, Sergio, no Pascual, que agora para o turno de Rio, ela Halao, colega número de Timor, proativo lidera organização. A minha name seminarista e seminarista, as coisas do curso Fatma. E também maka organograma apa Husi Multisains Academy, kita ya CEO, kita ya superior counselor, kita counselor dia, kita ya chief project officer, chief finance officer, chief technology officer, chief operating officer, atau chief marketing officer. Mereka dalamnya servisu tidak kita organisasi. Bisa organisasinya maka empodera coincide sira Husi teknologi digital. Idane makmeni bolti Husi organisasi Multisains Academy akara hal kapasitação das jovens irá mereka di Husi necessidade atual mundo imannya teknologi digital. Husi kami se apresenta Sua Excelência com um programa digital inovativo e vede ami plano ila no esforço da linha de 2025 a liderança. Treinamento seminário de atividade balão durante 30 anos iremos kita ia talk show, kita ia internal member capacitation, way, sharing session, kita ia kampanye para município balo, ori colher conversa intervenção se tem programa atau ia kita nos jovens dos municípios que também dirigem se deve levar frequente programa de licença carinha de fato kita preparar, kita ia kampanye. Kita ia diálogo inspirativo, programa de evento de Halao ya kala, ya de semana, temos ya programa podcast cerita, kita ya programa public speaking clubnya, yang actualmente liderado si colega Valeska, orang katanya colega kita, kalau kita yang sudah terjadi, kita nanti dari temos public speaking club. Este programa Action Activities mereka atual saya sudah entre membro organização ela entre membro organização itu mereka serviço. Este programa mau para esportnya, este programa para ambientenya, kita ya progress. Kita estamos kita sama sesuatu Senhor Lorota, Senhor Fidelis de Magalhaes, ia está entre os homens balões que estão mereka kita yang sesau 5 ia ikan podcast de Enkontru. Kita temos espaço voluntarismo. Oni lorong Multisains Academy ini produto dan BTFO benefício bom da lima berjovensira a espaço voluntarismo. Kita ia espaço voluntarismo. Kita for oportunidade voluntário para jovens irá, por jovens irá, berhalu sendo voluntário ia categoria A. Primeiro, project management, kita ia sales and marketing, kita ia content editing, kita ia finance and accounting. Program halnya kita for ia jovens irá, sira berhalu sendo voluntário di aprende program hal sih. Ia maka panorama kan figura baru, berikutnya kita ninya voluntário irá, revisi. Antes de Hawaii terima-nya, agak diikuti usahanya apresentação, how permite how conta a história e sua excelência. How kami untuk kami organização, kami promove espaço de educação presidencial para kami. Agora a experiência colega que eu dua. Ida. Depois de remata minha secundária Kalau ia sekundaria pun terteres. Ia pakai bukare atau sekolah lahir oportunidade. Itu semua memang kalau interview yang desain academy kita hari potensial kita masuk banyak. Memang desain academy ये serviço dia que tem project management ou agora não minha conselho escola e assim foi turismo. Ini dia boleh pen, ya tak boleh pen itu datang, dia idare ki tertebes, dari ki tertebes memang ia desain academy dia foi uma voluntário primeiro. Memang desde que 18 anos, memang kita fokus dari banyak punya serviço dia kali itu semua yang saya CFIDA ia internet departamento project managementnya itu serviço dia tertebes. Itu semua kolega saya tidak Excelência. Minha sanção. Aplica proposta, aplica para ele minha escola serene, lá então por dar to ikut mai rona to ikut se pode, tá minha lá passa e você já tá. Minha nama Kristi lá susah, onde anis lá lima, e boleh hau tá hau minha liga. E boleh botar kalau susah sih mereka lah. Una dosa punya servisonya kita kianya ikut mai agora dia setan bolsa estudo e a raicina poti Konaba ekonomi agora ela ensina. Anamai ini usi voluntário para a história na BT tambah tempo haver contar de colega na história de história. Permite hal tambah lagi Excelente, estamos aquí de discusión, programa yang kami berdua buat animal prepara atau lansa di 2025. Kami ini buat maka kami antara kriya plataforma edukasinya lebih model digital teknologi. Ini kami program ini kami buat sekolah honinya akronim kata sekolah by skill. Lebih honinya tak skill berkarya. Idane mak program idan mereka durante multisan academy mei lima akara lansa akara foga Timor yang sudah frequenta ili atau bel moriste era de orilo. Program idane mei to boleh MSc Scholars website application. Então, idane maka program yang nanti takar oferece para jovens sira atau jovens sira bele usa uma digital ka telefone ka sira minha laptop pode acesso programa educação sira la precisa atau la usai ou la precisa que mais de Mas quando eu uso a minha website application é fácil o todo e todo pelo acesso à educação. Temos um objetivo importante de kita minha aplicação de educação. E o objetivo é estar de uma kita hakara atau to decrease the quantities of unemployment youth in Timor-Leste is the key priority of the organization. Kita akan atau satu diminui número desemprego de Husi tem programa ini. Kami nanti Husi terpilih hari masa ambil program ambil resolve. MSc Scholar. Kita se provide online live streaming and offline class session, easy features to access, flexible models of payments, plenty of physical classes, qualified instructors, career and certifications guarantee, eco-friendly method. Ini memang program importante nesse sih. Ini maka panorama geral Husi punya projeto fiscal inovativo de excelência. Aplicação, foto website, panorama nesse. Programa sekarang kita lansa jalan kita ya bisnis, design developing, project product management, business developing, Spanish, Mandarin, English, Microsoft Office, business model, web developing, digital marketing, usahakan apa yang kami lakukan kali ini. Aplicação dan dia flowchart simplesmente kita boleh kata wawancara aplicação dan lansa, jovem tu mereka akses bala, mereka akses dengan aplicação sira se skill-up, itu semua sira bela yang aku sedang program. Kita se acompanha sira hadis no portfolio, ou sira é serviço para organização, kalau namanya serviço restaurante yang biasa frequent. Ang sa kumpanya sila, totalmente sila ini sila silinya, o dia apoio sila itong sila datang serviço, a criação de emprego sila, foi idane makasulatay, remata na Husi, o pasar o serviço bahia, zona idane, restaurante yang biasa frequent. Inclusive, maka idane mga programa sila atividades como os dias de jornada de durante o tempo na universidade acadêmica frequenta. A minha esforço marcado de interesse, a minha foca capacidade outro nível que a minha tempo outro nível a minha e desejo outro da minha a tu contribuir para setor educação. A minha esforço ali na sociedade. Aí ele tem lá a minha capacidade uma vez que lá na top a tu frequenta acontecimentos no programa treinamento, a minha escola está principal. A minha, eu a minha apresentação é a minha esperança fortila, atu. Pela apoio da força, os partos do sua excelência, a sua excelência na caminha líder nacional, a sua excelência na sua senhor Deus, e da nossa minha vida. A minha tarefa faz botar uma vez a minha durante a minha esforço, maka a grande mocinha parte de da dona da minha apoio os partos seu, até que ela crise de a minha buka apoio da força, kami buka apoio as autoridades relevantes do kami buka reconhecimento dos autoridades do nomos kami buka atau partisi atau kami bela realiza no competiza memang kami mediona no kami forma bayar itu kami ini maka itu sudah apresentação moro produksi kami sesangkanya para que volte na questão e para vocês então secara kata kita motivação tentang correção ou sugestão sesuai yang biasa programa que kami milih dan realize muito obrigado e ao pouco tempo veio que não olhar obrigado.
Thank you, CEO of Science Academy. So, if the time keeps running, so the next agenda, I will give the time for Honorable our President to give some comments or recommendation or any suggestion about the program of Multi-Science Academy that will be presented from CEO of Multi-Science Academy. So, there is no limit time for you, Mr. President, so time is yours.
Good morning. I will speak in English because since everybody understands English, has become of science easier to use English language. Although, of course, in Portugal, many years they host the Web Summit. The Web Summit every year. 60,000-70,000 people from around the world participate. I participated once, invited every year. But for me, it's easier to talk to English. Because, and I find it surprising that we are using that for science. It's confusing enough to use petrol. I don't understand how an individual, a person, any of you, can get along with high standards with that language. How can you explain in that all the legal concepts? All the technical in that. How can you explain the partnership? So every time I go at the moment, lei unpass. Scusa lingua sei o that. I said, okay, good luck. Good luck for you, good luck for the country. Because obviously, if you look at the Magalhaes itself, they fell off over at least 100 years. And if you look at the past Indonesia, you count how many words that originated from Portuguese. Many hundreds of words that in past Indonesia came from Portuguese. Meja, gereja, sapato, ordinela, anyway, I continue. And in English, you have to, have you put back line that you mentioned of youth unemployment, just one of youth unemployment. I'll tell you some of the assassination of English language. To decrease the quantity of unemployment youth in the web is the priority. I understand the idea, but English-wise, you have to improve. You mean here, I know what you mean. Because apparently, allegedly, very high youth unemployment, no? Which I dispute. I dispute. Claim that people left at very high youth unemployment. To decrease the quantity, to just say, this to reduce the number of, not the quantity, the number of unemployed youth in Timor-Leste. Full stop. This is a priority of the candidate. What you do, the priority of the organization, is to decrease, to diminish, to reduce the number of youth unemployed in Timor-Leste. But anyway, there's a great trial that every time I have spoken here in Timor-Leste, in the university, in many parts of the world, in Timor-Leste, like in many third world countries, developing countries, we study too much humanity. Everybody study humanity, particularly in Timor-Leste, so small. When I was first went to foreign ministry in 2002, they don't remember. But I told them at the time, if you have a degree in support, don't come and look for a job here in the foreign ministry. I will not give you the job. Because it's one of the poorest, least prepared degree that is easier, so everybody go for the humanity. And me, particularly softball. Every third world country has this problem. Ototo babuka ciências humanas, humanidade. Cada parte fácil. Instead of going to start science, technology, economics, finance, banking, medicine, they go for softball. During the Portuguese time, way back, there was also a degree in Portugal for licenciatura em Ciências Políticas e Administrativas. Get a licenciatura. And who went to do this degree? Everybody talked about it. Only the people who very poor students in high school, they went to do this degree. So too many softball in Timor, in all England. And now too many doing international relations. Because they think because why you want to do international relations? Well, go and work in the neck. Well, when I began as foreign minister, And I asked China to donate a building. The very first building built in Timor-Leste was the foreign ministry. We had zero money. So I went in China and met the foreign minister, please do a building on it. But I had to tell them how many people it will accommodate the foreign ministry. I explained to them my own calculation based on Timor-Leste population at the time and projection of population for the next 20 years, 30 years, how many people. And I said, based on the current population and the projection for the next 10, 20 years, my own understanding of Timor-Leste economic, financial possibilities, because we cannot ask a building, you cannot talk to people without understanding the cost of all of it. So I said, and based on the experience of other countries, like Timor, similar size, Fiji, Laos, People's Republic, Timor, and Turkey, West Africa, more or less comparative. I said, we will have in 20 years time no more than 150 people. So the building will accommodate 150, of which 50 will be a core of the administration. So not all people are in the finance. Some people, administration, logistics, cleaner, driver, and all others, like they deal with, because to have a foreign ministry, a diplomacy that is competent, you have also to have a headquarters that well function. The headquarters made of people who run the administration, the budget, with perfection and celerity. So I said at the time, 150. And from day one in the foreign ministry, I said, all my meetings will be in English. And I invite always all the, even the cleaners, the drivers, attend the meeting every Friday, whenever I want in the country. Everyone attended it. And I will speak in English, but I will do some translating only for the driver, the cleaner, so they understand. All that, if you are in the foreign ministry and you don't speak English, you probably went to the wrong building. It's a bit like, I want to work in Ekipa, and I want to look after the patient, the sick people. And then, and what is your degree? Oh, I did softball. Softball and working in the Ekipa. So, but the foreign ministry a few years ago, I don't know now, but a few years ago, many years ago, maybe 10, a survey or a test was done in the foreign ministry. How many people spoke English in the foreign ministry? 30%. I don't know what those idiots who didn't speak a word of English go to the foreign ministry for. And how many Adidu from Timor-Leste? Adidu. Now full, the embassy full of Adidu. If they go to Portugal, as Adidu, do they speak Portuguese? Well, if they go as Adidu to South Korea, do you speak English? I don't think many speak Korean, but at least English. And so on. Total anarchy chaos. So, and then you are using English as your main medium of learning. I have even some talks here, graduation of Lidera International School, from their people, few others. So they finish school yet well, and they're going to the next chapter of their life. Universidad, college, and what I tell them, tell them, go and study digitalization, study artificial intelligence, study water resources. One of the big, yeah. Now it's raining a lot, we have plenty of water. But in the whole world, there are only 1%. Only 1% of fresh water in the whole world that is accessible to human beings. I'm very good in Mumbai. In Mumbai, 100%. Ia mundo toma bem more kita emunyanen, kita é sobrevivente. 1% dele, maka ser humano é uma acesso. 1%. Significa que lá embora, a lot of areas in the world there is no water. People dying from lack of water. People killing each other from lack of water. People stealing water. Even killing sometimes. I remember a few years ago, someone was killed because of the fighting over water. He was living. So, studying technology, science related to water. How can we better capture water? I told every government in this country, already 15 years ago, I was telling them, please capture rainwater. How to capture rainwater? Ogni zona bella provetta pura bene. How to recycle water? How to save water? So, water is one area you must start. And all other renewable energy. Yes, solar energy. Solar technology evolving. But there are other means. What is the cheaper, best accessible to people? So when you go into your adult life, age 17, 16, 18, these are already 5 years ago, I gave the first lecture here in the Timor about artificial intelligence. It was a meeting called